Alright, still getting there in the dirty, dusty road. Man, this is really the middle of nowhere. Not so much in mountain roads, but following people down stuff like this is just horrible because you can't see anything half the time. I can't believe there's gray light coming up already. Birds have been hitting the ground at 3:50, I swear. I'm sorry, I meant 4:50, 4:45. Birds have been on the ground. So we're here early. It is 3:59. Dedication, that's all I can say. This boy's dedicated. Don't bother trying to read that sign. It won't help you. Some crazy stuff on the horizon out there. Hopefully nothing's going to come in on us. The wind is blowing like stink. But I think when we get down in this canyon, we'll be okay no matter what. Okay, there's another one behind us and the other one in front of us. He's right up here. He's like right there. He's right. He's right here. He's right. One off to the left. Might just get your shot here in 2 seconds. I have to come up if I were you. It's a long walk to get here, but worth it. Heard one gobble a few minutes ago. Kind of surprised it's still so dark down there, you know. But what a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Alright, more to come. Well, we had lots of action on the roost, but being that it's only the second week into the season, I'm not surprised the fact that nothing came running in here. But we got to hear exactly what is in here, and there's some really good birds in here. I'd say there's at least 7 or 8 really nice mature toms, and then some typical, younger ones, but still, there's no bird in here that's not a shooter. So that's kind of cool. We're just kind of going to get the morning, give it a chance to warm up a little bit. We heard a couple birds in the distance that really never stopped gobbling. It's a good chance they might not have a hen. So we might move out, get away from this big flock that's in here. Because these birds aren't going to do anything. Not for another couple weeks anyway. Yippee-ki-yay. was fun though.
Yeah.
More to come. There's a bird talking like he's being extremely responsive right now. It's a great spot, but it's deep and deep. So we're readjusting the setup. Let's sit back there. See if this bird will keep coming. He's definitely talking. That's a different one. It's not the same one. The other one was down here. That one's over there. I might have picked somebody up on the way. Well, he was pretty adamant there for a while. I'm not sure. I don't want him to run away just yet, because it could be on the way. is they got a couple of hens with them too. Somehow we gotta try to close the gap or just walk away and go find different birds, because they're not gonna come down here. They're not gonna come up here. It's a deep gully and they're up on the other hillside. If we get anywhere within range, they're gonna come right in for a look, so we're gonna roll the dice and try to get in there. We'll see what happens. Okay, folks. We came from the mountainside over there. We got all the way down into the drainage and up here. I don't think we're busted, so let's see what happens. Okay, tilt this to the left more. It sounded like it was in there. Can't tell. It's just over the ridge. It's just over the ridge. Somewhere just over the ridge here. We're close enough. He'll come take a look. Right straight in front of you, man. To the right more. What's that? I think it's to the right a little. Yeah. Kind of like we thought. They were just over that edge. I would have your gun up if I were you, bro. Just float that in. Yeah, he's right there. Oh, the decoy works. It keeps coming. There's a little more to the right if I were you, but just saying. It's always easier to swing left on a right. Yep. Sounded right to the left, didn't it?
What's up?
Wasn't it right down below us?
It kind of sounded like that way.
Man, oh man. He's right up here. He's like right there. He's running. I was gonna get a shot through this stuff. He's probably gonna come take a look. He was right there.
Yes.
Yes!
Smoking.
Oh, bro.
I saw about this much of his head poking through the grass.
Good job. When you're hunting in wide open places like this, man, you get it when you get it. Took forever to pull him back in.
He's all by himself too.
Dude, give me the high five on that one. That was a good hunt.
Oh man, that was crazy.
That was crazy
Thank
good,
you
huh?
for taking me out.
This was Turkey Chess 101, man. Look at that shot. There's your 20-yard shot, too.
Oh, I bet it was less than that.
Yeah, you think so? Oh, yeah, we were right at the ridge. Okay, folks, we were right there on that ridge. I mean, stud. Look at the spurs. I could hear that gobble. I could hear
him drumming.
Yeah.
That's how I knew he was getting
Look at what
close.
he went down into.
I thought he'd come up here, and he came this way. Because
Look
I was
what
watching over here, and I like did that whole eye roll to the right.
Look what he disappeared down into that hole.
Yeah.
And we pulled him back up. Stud hunt. No way to show it, guys. I mean, we are out here on the edge of nothing. We got hens right there. Got us pegged the whole time. No. Just hold him. Just don't let him go down the hill.
I was hoping he wouldn't go all the way down into the canyon.
Yeah, he will. Get him by a foot and just don't get stabbed. He's dead. Just grab both feet and lift him up in the air. First turkey. Just hold him by the feet. And there you go. Yeah, baby. This was good turkey 101 here. This would take. This is turkey chest at this time. It's total turkey
I got the
chest.
master class.
You got it all, man. We started way up on that ridge. Worked our way down and around. He was in a strut zone up here. Oh, what a beautiful place for photos though, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man. All I can tell you is I'm still digging the Phelps. First turkey?
No.
Okay.
No.
First one out here?
Second one in Washington.
First one in
I
Washington.
got a Rio last year.
Oh, did you? Cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's a full Merriam right there.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
I know they're kind of.
I don't see much mixing now. We'll have to look at them a little closer. Let's get them up here on the top. That was cool.
I know this part of Washington. It's kind of half and half.
Yeah.
Half Rios, half Merriams.
They get mixed, but
Yeah.
that looks very, very Merriam.
Does it?
Yeah, let's see if there's a lot of hybrid. No, he's white. I mean, no, he's white. His
Yeah.
tips are white. His tops are white.
Yeah, my.
Wings.
Yeah.
Dude, stud shot. Look at that head. Oh my gosh. You got a bloodbath going out of here. That's awesome.
That'll be fine.
Look at those spurs. Show me those spurs. Hold them up with both hands. Yeah, get the feathers out. This is a fine mountain bird. Look at that. Dude, you got the biggest one I've seen in a while. I'm so glad we came out. This was rocking it.
Did I pick a good spot?
Yeah. Ain't nobody coming down in this hole. I'll
Nope.
tell you right now. Folks, I don't think I'd want to even come back. I mean, as much as it sounds great, but that was, I said we heard the voice on the other side. I'm like, that's a stud
You
bird.
called it.
There's some spurs there. Healthy bird. Let's go get some photos. What a blast. Oh, what a blast. What a blast. We get some pictures. Those are some spurs, huh? All right. That's number 9. Rolling on. So we're having so much fun. We just got done doing a bunch of photos, and of course we have the classic true limb hanger, a stud bird. We haven't weighed him yet. We haven't even measured the spurs yet, but we just wanted to know. We're going to throw him on a nice big fat branch. It's not a little skinny branch so that it'd be easy to do. And the fact is right there. Some serious fangs. And when you look at where we're hunting and the steepness of these angles, I mean, right, Brian?
Oh yeah.
I mean, this is not normal on these kind of hills. Dude, you got a stud. Give me a high five. No, one more high five. That is a bird right there. That is a fine, fine bird. Indeed. Super steep, living out here in some tough spots. And we're going to press on. We're going to get some weights, and we're going to see what we got and some measurements. I'm going to guess, what do you think? I think 1.25 inches easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's what you were saying earlier.
I'm saying 1.25 inches. Could be more,
Yeah.
but 1.25 inches. I'd be amazed if it isn't. What a blast. I mean, not only was it a fun and unique, different hunt, but I mean, we worked it from gobbling coming in the dark. We heard this bird. We let him get away. We relaxed. Then he started talking finally when they warmed up after eating, right?
Yep.
And then we moved in because we had to close the gap. Seal the deal. He sealed the deal. Man, he sealed it good. What a headshot. Good grief. I don't know if you can see that. And he's got, tell me what you use. I mean, I know you got a nice 20 gauge.
Yeah, it's just 20 gauge, just standard Remington 870. And I had the Winchester Longbeard XR 5-shot.
Number 5?
Yep. Perfect.
Yeah, good choice for that 20 gauge. And we didn't know if we were gonna have to shoot far, but I think if we walked it off, you think it was how far?
Oh, I don't even know. Probably about 12, maybe 15 at the most.
12, 15 yards.
Yeah.
We got him coming back up that hill again. I almost thought we lost him when he went down the ditch. I'm like, dang. Because we sneaked in from way back there. And then we hillsided it. We had the hens looking. All right, we're getting some stats on this bird.
So we got a spur gauge here.
All right.
Measure the spurs on both of them.
Let's see what we got. I'm guessing 1.25 inches. On the curve, coming around.
Oh. Try again. Yep. And solid 1.25 inches, maybe
Solid
just a hair over.
Right on the turn. You're good. Look at that stud.
1.25 again.
Right on it. Dead on, baby. 1.25 inches. Yeah, another high five. We're going to be high fiving this bird for a while. You know, folks, some of you might say it's just a turkey, but it's not. Because the turkey hunters, this is a major stud. So we're documenting it. Good job. All right, we're going to just get some weight now.
Question is, in which pouch is it?
I like a man comes prepared. He's got 550 cord. He must be in the military.
That's my possible pouch.
And are those Vortex binoculars I see?
Yep.
Absolutely. Not only has he got a Vortex case, but he's got Vortex binoculars. You got 2 pair?
No, it came out of my case earlier,
okay.
So I just set them in my pack.
I saw another pair in your case. All right. Yep. Get some knots going, just enough so we can hook that thing. All right, we're going to weigh it.
Ready?
Going. Keep lifting, and hold them up without touching anything. 19.67, keep holding it. Get your other hand off. I'll come around. Yeah, 19.67, that's a fine bird. I mean, that's a fine mountain bird. You're right under 20. And I would be surprised if he was 20 up here with living like he is. Good deal. Stud bird. All right, we're going to cut some tags.
We'll cut the tree.
You want to do the rubber band method? It's up to you.
I'll just zip tie him.
All right, he's going to zip tie him. There you go, Cole. Another zip tie guy. Just like you. A lot of zip tie guys. What a great place to hunt, though. You got a nice stash back here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I wasn't sure how it was going to be here. I thought it might just be
no.
You know, like one or two toms, like with a bunch of hens, and
I counted 8 birds
to go
total.
onto private land, they're gone for the rest of the day, and
no.
But that's not even close to what it turned out like.
I would say about 8 birds total in the distance if you added all the birds up that I heard, and then we don't know what's on the other side of that knob either.
Yeah.
There's definitely some gobbling going on the backside.
Oh, are you kidding me?
That's why I like rubber bands.
Yeah, let's do the rubber band.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Vengeance is mine. Rubber bands and Phelps. All right, we're getting a measurement on the beard. Longest piece of anything sticking out there.
8.5.
Gee, did I guess that?
Yeah, you did.
It got so old measuring after a while, it's like, let's see if we can just guess, you know. 18 years of guessing, you kind of get on it. That's a nice brush, though. Let's look at it better. There's no extra ones?
No, there's no little random stragglers.
No stragglers. I had a nice straggler yesterday. Nice 2-incher up front. I was hiding. Sweet brush for a mountain bird. Look at that head. That eye is gone. Right to the brain. Done. Nice bird. Good job, bro.
Appreciate it.
All right. All the stats are done. He's walking out with a stud. How many birds have you shot in your life?
Not that many. 6 or 7.
6 or 7?
Yeah.
Good luck up in this one. He's gonna have a hard time beating that bird. You might beat him in weight, but getting spurs out here like that's gonna be tough. What a day. What a day. The beast. What an awesome day. Put him on the Mossberg. He's got the pattern master choke, so he should be good to go. I said to everybody, I said the reason he's doing this is because he can't get enough, and so he's dragging people out now like I do all the time.
Pretty much it. I don't even have a shotgun. I just want to go out in the woods.
Yeah.